We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more related how to guess words in English. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce it in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ slightly. In British English, this is normally said as allegory. You do want to stress on the first syllable, allegory. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as allegory. Allegory in American English versus allegory in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.